Hello there YouTube, my name is Peter Wanner. Today we'll be looking at synthetic division. What is synthetic division? Well, synthetic division is just a shortcut to doing polynomial long division. Okay, now you can use synthetic division to find the roots of an equation, of a polynomial equation. So let me choose a very easy equation that we would all know the roots to. So like x squared minus 1. Of course, we know we can factor this out to x plus 1, x minus 1, and we know the roots are -1 and 1. Okay, now let's try to find the roots using synthetic division. Okay, so we know this equation, x squared minus 1, right? Well, we have to take this equation, right? And we have to do this value, well, all the possible combinations to get this value divided by all the possible combinations to get this value. So that would be plus or minus 1 divided by plus or minus 1, which then gives us plus or minus 1 is all the possible roots. Okay, so let's try positive 1 as our first root. So putting it into synthetic division, we would have to create this little thing here and put the number we're trying to find. So in this case it'd be 1, right? Okay, so 1, and then so 1 here. And then since there's no x value, just a b value here, we're going to just have to put at 0 as the b value. And then put the c value here, which is -1, okay? Let's draw this line here. Okay, let's bring down this 1 here. Okay, so 1 times 1 equals 1. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. -1 times 1 equals, or -1 plus 1 equals 0. We know this is a root because this number here is 0. So we know this one works. So this works. Okay. Now let's try with -1. So let's do the same thing. Let's create a bracket. Create this bracket here. 1, 0, and -1, right? Okay, so let's bring down the 1, right? Okay, so 1 times -1 equals -1. 0 minus, or 0 plus -1 equals -1. -1 times -1 equals 1, and -1 plus 1 equals 0. So we know this number is a root because this number here is a 0. So -1 does work. And as I show you, this does get you to the roots. Thank you for watching and hope you've enjoyed.